Today we're going to show you a handshake that we part of it we made up, and then part of it we looked on the internet and found it. And then we just added it together. Well, here it is. We're going to show you. Look. We're going to do it to you. We're going to show it to you fast. And then slow. And then slow to teach you. Okay. But just because we're showing you this does not mean you can copy it and say that it's yours. Okay, let's do this. Okay, that was it. And now we will show you the slow version. Okay, here it is. So you're going to take your hand, your right hand, and you're going to slap it. And then you're going to slap your left hand. And then you're going to grab your friend's hands. Like this. Like that. Okay, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then clap. And then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, grab, 6, down, 7, sunset. Let's try that all together. Okay. In, clap. Now the next part, you cross your arms like this, then go like this. So. And now all together, it looks like this. And that's all. Well, that's our video. Oh, we have my other friend and this friend are gonna do the regular handshake with you, like the one that goes like this. That we found on the internet. That we found on the internet. It was by some girl. I don't remember their name, but you should totally search up their video. And we're not copying it. I hope they appreciate us for doing that. So anyway, here's my friends. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Let's try the other one. Ready? And that was all. I hope you enjoyed our video and have fun shaking hands the fun way.